So if you read the title, you already know what I'm about to be doing. And I would say this is an impulsive decision, but I kind of have wanted to have curtain bangs for a really long time now. I remember I wanted them before I even knew what they were called, before, you know, lockdown and everyone started cutting and coloring their own hair at home. I have watched quite a few actually, tutorials on YouTube on how to do this myself. So I guess we're just gonna get right on into it before I change my mind. And the other thing is that I change my mind about what I want to do with my hair like every other day. But at the end of the day, I don't really care because I like pretty much anything with hair. Like, I like a ton of different colors. I like a ton of different haircuts, styles, from really, really short to really long to layers. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this, I guess. I just wanted to do something slightly different with my hair. I'm not gonna do a ton of bangs, but I don't know. I already kind of cut these a little bit shorter anyways. I kind of just cut my hair a little bit once in a while to get some dead ends off. And sometimes I'll make it a little bit shorter in the front anyways. But yeah, so for tools, I don't have professional scissors and I don't have the money to go out and buy them because they're actually pretty expensive. I could have ordered them off of Amazon, but I didn't want to spend money on professional scissors, so I just have these. I have this comb, and then I also just have a spray bottle with water in it. I'm not that nervous. I just hope that it'll come out good. So the first thing, I guess, is to make a triangle in the top of my head. I already have my hair parted in the middle. I did that a few days ago so that my hair would get used to drying in the middle, because usually I part it on the side. And I'm just gonna take forward a little bit at a time. I could always do more later. Oh, I need to grab clips. Hold on. Okay. Just clipping back my hair. Now I'm gonna try to do the other on the other side. Okay, so I don't know if you can really see. This lighting is really not good. Hold on. Okay, this is much better lighting. I should have just started the video from here. Yeah, but I'm gonna have to be looking down because I'm not sitting at my vanity anymore, so I just have my little mirror, or it's actually my sister's, so I have to look down over here in this direction when I start cutting my hair. Okay, so what I was trying to show before is the triangle that I have sectioned for the bangs, and these are already a little bit longer than the rest of shorter than the rest of my hair. So yeah, I don't know if I should cut more or not. I guess I could always cut more later if I want. So first, I'm going to spray them. Okay, I'm just gonna cut them straight across for now, just to like get them slightly shorter up to my chin. Okay, now I'm going to take them in half, and I'm going to take this side and kind of pull it over to my right. And I'm just going to cut it so that it could be more at an angle when I let it go. See? You'll be able to tell better when it's dry and not wet on my face. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Okay. I have to make sure this is even on both sides.
Types of things you remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight.
I like how I could still tuck them behind my ears if I wanted to. But I'm gonna wait until these front pieces dry so that I could try to style them, because right now they look horrible. Okay, I honestly don't think I cut enough bangs, but I'm just probably gonna leave it for today because I don't want to end up messing my hair. I didn't even cut these pieces. This is like all I cut. But I should probably actually blend it in a little bit better. So okay, that's a little bit better. I'm gonna do that to the other side now. Or at least try to.
Make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight.
Okay, you know what? It's a little choppy and not the best, but I could always fix it later, so it's fine. All right, I'm gonna take this, a straightener, and I'm going to actually section my bangs, even though they are already really thin. That was not an even section. Okay, good enough. Okay, that was a little bit too curly, but you'll get the idea. I also like never use heat on my hair, so I don't know how to use anything. But hold on. I look weird right now, but it'll probably come together in the end, I'm hoping. I'm gonna take this section and kind of curl it slightly. I'm gonna do that a little bit one more time. Okay, let's see. Hold on. It's not too bad. Oh, my battery's running low. But I think I just need to learn how to style them, and my hair needs to, oh my gosh. My hair needs to get used to being this way. But I guess it's not too bad. I just need to learn how to do my hair like this. And I think that maybe I needed to do a little bit more bangs because there's really not much there. But for now, I'm just gonna try to work on getting my hair to dry the right way and then styling them. But I think overall they're not too bad. I know there's different ways that you could style them, but like this side is not cooperating. The other side looks pretty okay, but this side is just drying really weird. Hold on, actually I was able to style them a little bit better and fix them. And I actually really like the way it looks. So just wanted to give you a little update. Anyways, my battery is about to die, so that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't regret this. I just need to learn to work with my hair. But hair is hair. It'll grow either way. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and with that, I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Arizona thunder tonight.